Here's a little Uncle Dave Macon song I learned recently. It's called Chewing Gum. Well, I'm gonna sing you about my pretty little girl. She's just as pretty as a plum. Haven't she had was one that was bad. She was always a chung dong, chung dong, chung dong, yum yum, chung dong, yum yum, yum yum. Whenever she came to Sunday school, she always come with a chum. And right where they sat, and right where they sat, they were always a chung dong, yum yum, yum yum, chung dong, yum yum, yum yum. Well, she dressed so neat and she looked so sweet. Her silks and her hat were so plump. But I do declare she put on the air. She was always a chung dong, chung dong, chung dong, chung dong, yum yum, yum yum, yum yum, yum yum. Well, whenever she walked right out of town, she always did look so cute. But every motion she knocked for, she'd call a box of juicy fruit, juicy fruit, juicy fruit, juicy fruit.